Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center in 2025. With the latest updates making cross-platform gaming easier than ever, this step-by-step tutorial will help you switch seamlessly, whether you're upgrading devices or just consolidating your profiles. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both accounts ready. You'll need your Google account linked to Google Play Games and an Apple ID set up for Game Center. This is crucial because the transfer process relies on these connections. Step 1. Open the Google Play Games app on your Android device. Head to the Settings menu. Look for an option like Data Management or Export Data. Select the games you want to transfer, then choose to export your data. This will create a file, usually in a simple format like JSON, that contains your progress, achievements, and saves. Remember, not all games support this, so double-check compatibility first. Step 2. Now, switch over to your iOS device. Launch the Game Center app and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings or Import section. Apple has made this more straightforward in 2025. Step 3. In Game Center, find the Import Data feature. Upload the file you exported from Google Play Games. The app will guide you through mapping your data, like matching your game profiles or achievements. This might take a minute, so be patient. Step 4. After importing, verify everything by opening your games in Game Center. Check your progress to ensure it transferred correctly. If you run into any issues, like missing data, try restarting the app or contacting the game developer for support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center in just a few simple steps. This process keeps your gaming experience uninterrupted and makes switching platforms a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.